Welcome to this week's webinar. In this week's webinar, we're going to talk about importing data from hoof trimming systems. The idea behind this module is that we can save time by letting data that the foot trimmer has already captured be loaded into the system directly without you having to actually spend time actually re-entering information. So we can do this in the program by going to the cow's head, going down to links, going down to hoof software, and selecting import. We then pick up the file that the hoof trimmer will have provided to you. This will usually be a CSV file, and they'll either provide it to you on email or maybe through a USB stick. And we just select that file. So I'm just selecting that file and I'm importing it. As you can see, we've actually managed to import some of this data, and you've got the cow number, the actual date that the cow was trimmed, what foot was trimmed. If a condition was actually picked up by the actual hoof trimmer, they're actually recorded, and you can actually see any actions and also the animal. When we actually import it, if you go down to properties, you can actually link the hoof trimming codes that the actual foot trimmer has used to the different health conditions actually in the UNIFORM database. And where there's one that doesn't match, as you can see, there's one with a red match, we can go on to that one and either link it to open the existing one, or if we want to create a new one, we just go to there and we say vertical. You see that now goes blue, so it confirms that's going to be imported, and then we just press import at the bottom. This then loads all the data straight in, so you've not actually spent any time actually importing that data yourselves. Then the next time through, you just come straight into import and pick up the next file that from it. So if we actually now look at cow number 28, which is one that we've actually imported some hoof trimming data for, we can actually go to her health and treatments tab, and then you can see the results of the actual foot trimming that was actually entered this time. In terms of actually where with this data we can take this data from, we can take it from two places at the moment. We can take it from Hoof Techs, which is a British-based hoof trimming system, and Hoof Supervisor, that is an American-based system. Both those two systems produce the files that we can read in. I know some people are asking about using data from all 4 feet. That is one we're actually talking to and working on being able to produce data from import data from that system as well going forwards. Likewise with another one called VetImpress, we're talking to them as well. So watch this space on those, and we'll keep you updated with the email or whatever once we're able to actually import those data sets.